Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna solve another high-occurring problem, which is number line jumps. So here we are given two kangaroos moving towards positive infinity, and we are given the initial position as x1 and x2 of both the kangaroos that are moving with rate v1 and v2 meters per jumps respectively. So we have to find a way if there exists a point that after a certain number of jumps both the kangaroos will meet at a point, and we have to return yes or no accordingly. So let's understand this example first. So here initially the position of kangaroo 1 is 2, similarly the position of the kangaroo 2 is 1, and kangaroo 1 is moving with the rate 1 and kangaroo 2 is moving with the rate 2. So after one jump the position of kangaroo 1 will be 3. Similarly, after one jump the position of kangaroo 2 will also be 3. So we will return yes that both the kangaroos will meet at position 3 after one number of jump. Let's see this another example. Here we are given x1 and x2 as 0 and 4 and v1 and v2 as 3 and 2. So the initial position of kangaroo 1 is 0 and it moves with the rate 3, and similarly the initial position of kangaroo 2 is 4 and which is moving with the rate 2. So here we can see that after 4 number of jumps both the kangaroos will meet at the position 12. So we will return yes. Now one thing to note here is that both the kangaroos are moving simultaneously, and after certain number of jumps they are reaching at the same position. So this is the same example as given in the picture. Now let's try to find out the position of kangaroo 1 after j number of jumps. So it will be simply its initial position plus j times its rate, right? Like after one number of jumps the position of the kangaroo 1 will be 0 plus 1 into 3, which is 3, right? And after two number of jumps it will be 6, and so on. Similarly for kangaroo 2 also we can say that its position after j number of jumps will be x2 plus j times v2, right? So let's assume that after a certain number of jumps both the kangaroos will meet at some position, and the position of both the kangaroos will be same, so we can write this equation easily. These are the positions of the kangaroo 1 and the kangaroo 2 after j number of jumps, and both the kangaroos will meet at the same position. Then we can equate both of these and we can find these number of jumps in terms of the position and rate. Now for both the kangaroos to meet, this j should be a positive integer. If this j comes out to be negative or fractional, then it is not possible for both the kangaroos to meet at the valid positions, right? Also note one thing, this j can be 0 also when initial position of both the kangaroos will be same, right? And one more thing which we have been given in the constraint is that x2 is always greater than x1. Then we just need to check whether v1 minus v2 is greater than 0 or not for this j to be positive, right? So let's code it, guys. As we have to check if j is a positive integer, so I'll store it in float and then check it with its integer. So let's first store it. Float j is equals to x2 minus x1 divided by v1 minus v2. And also note one thing, that x1 and x2 are integers, so we'll have to convert them into float in order to get their division in float, otherwise the division will come in integer. So firstly we'll have to convert them and then we will simply return yes if j is a positive integer, otherwise we'll return no. Let's see if this works. So this worked perfectly fine. Thanks for watching.